Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Life well spent is long. %70 of success in life is showing up. The hardest years in life are those between 10 and 70. Life is half spent before we know what it is. Life is painting a picture, not doing a sum. Life consists in what a man is thinking of all day. An aim in life is the only fortune worth finding. The greatest use of a life is to spend it on something that will outlast it. Life is what we make it, always has been, always will be. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. Most people have never learned that one of the main aims in life is to enjoy it. The wine of life keeps oozing drop by drop. The leaves of life keep falling one by one. Today is your own. Tomorrow perchance may never come. We live in a rainbow of chaos. Conduct is 3/4 of our life and its largest concern. The main facts in human life are 5. 1. Birth. 2. Food. 3. Sleep. 4. Love. And 5. Death. Life is a succession of moments. To live each one is to succeed. You have succeeded in life when all you really want is only what you really need. The true secret of happiness lies in taking a genuine interest in all the details of daily life. To live a pure, unselfish life, one must count nothing as one's own in the midst of abundance. Buddha. History has remembered the kings and warriors because they destroyed. Art has remembered the people because they created. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked the contents. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Good luck to you.